Hey guys, check out this bird over here. It's a green Indian ringneck. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird.
You can get him out. He's kind of afraid of hands. His name is Cracker.
Hi, Cracker. It's okay, Cracker. We don't have to pick you out. Ooh, look at that pretty bird. Do you see the pretty bird? Kisses? Kisses? I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, Cracker, Cracker, Cracker. Are you being a good boy? Are you being a good boy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, is that a pretty bird? Hey, Cracker, are you a pretty bird? How adorable is this guy? My goodness. I want to take him home. Okay, if I had a lot of money, and that is why you always think about it before you take a parrot home. That came from our cute little Cracker. That's his actual name, Cracker. Hey, Cracker.
Muzzles? Yeah, they're gonna be
Okay.
Oh, so many kisses. Can you sing a song? Can you sing a song? No, you don't like that one? How about this? I love you. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family. I guess that's how he sings. I don't know. I don't have ringnecks. I don't know much about him. With a big, great hug and a kiss from me to you, won't you say you love me too? Can you have kisses? 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 You're so silly. Smart boy.
How old are the broilers?
Huh?
How old are the broilers?
I'm not sure, but size-wise, I wouldn't think more than a few days. But look for Donna. She'll know.
Oh, okay.
She'll probably know. Alrighty, Cracker. I'm gonna go ahead and introduce him to Marty now, okay? Can you say bye-bye? Night-night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so how cute is that guy? All right, now check this guy out. Hi, Marty. Would you like your treat? So I got Marty a treat, too. Guys, I just saw Cracker out of nowhere. I would have gotten Cracker a treat too if I'd known. There you go. Go ahead, Marty. It's all right. How cute is he? Do you want a treat, baby? Here, look. I'll hang it up right here like this. Is that better? See, that way my hand's not up there so much, huh? What is it, baby? What do you want? Do you want to step up? What you doing, baby? Hi. Did you want to step up, baby? You want scratch scratch? I know you can talk, so step up. Do you want scratch scratch? No scratch scratch? Scratch scratch? Do you want scratch scratch? Or no scratch scratch? You trying to get your water? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? So Marty is a little bit new. I've only met him a few times, and I don't want to risk him, say, like biting me and associating me with like a negative memory. And you know what? To people who know African Greys, they're probably going, he's just yelling at you, telling you all this stuff, and you're not paying attention. And you know what? He's probably giving me some very obvious signals, but I'm just simply not familiar with African Greys. And I actually kind of feel bad because I want him to feel comfortable, and I want to be able to do whatever he wants me to do, but I don't want to risk doing something wrong. And I feel like that would be a bigger deal. So I'm going to concentrate on this, and I'm going to hope that he likes it. You want it? You want it? Or do you want to keep it for later? Huh, Marty? That's Cracker over there pretending to be a duck. Marty. No, he's scared of that hand. I see that. Is that because of the glove? Or is it because of my hand? Do you want to come here? Do you want to come to me? Marty. Can you step up? Can you step up? Step up? Come on. I don't think he wants to, and I'm not about to force him. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and put the treat on his tree over here. Check this out, what PRATT'S has them hang out on throughout the day. So they're not locked up all day in like a tiny cage or something. These guys are well taken care of. So anyways, a little bit of information about Marty. First, I'm going to go ahead and hang him up this treat right here. Okay, here you go, Marty. That's all yours, okay? Marty, that's all yours, okay? It's all yours. Okay, baby? All right? I'm going to let Donna know I put that there, so don't eat it all at once. All right? Okay? Or I'll be in trouble. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful animal. Let's see here. Where is the little thing? Okay, here. So, Marty is an African Grey. He is 5 years old. He is being sold for $2,499.99, which is actually a very good price, again, for an African Grey. Marty actually talks and knows a lot of words. Marty is shy. He's new in this area. He's scared right now. He definitely has a huge amount of potential. I mean, just like with Max, but I'm sorry, with Jack. But I think that Marty probably is going to be a little bit easier on the bonding side, maybe. Then again, with parrots, you know, you never know. They're like humans. I mean, somebody can appear to be completely fine and then have a mental breakdown that same night. So, and parrots are kind of like that. It can go either way, you know? So, but Marty is here, also waiting for his forever home. And, hey, Marty. One second. Marty. Good boy. He came. Guys, look. And I'm going to let him go back because he's changing his mind. He's getting nervous. There you go. Good boy, Marty. Yay, Marty. Yay. You want scratch, Marty? It's okay, Marty. You're good. All right, so that's an African gray. Look at that gorgeous red tail right here that you see. And then the gray all over his body, the light gray at the bottom. Beautiful eyes. I mean, just gorgeous. It's okay, I know. Anyways, so Marty, just like Jack, can be found at the Pratt's Pets in El Mirage in Arizona. They both need homes. They're both amazing parrots. And if you're interested in offering one of these little guys a home, get in contact with Pratt's Pets. And again, any animal is a huge commitment. But a parrot will be with you possibly longer, as in past your death. They get very old and they get very attached. And sending them from home to home and putting them through all those changes and abandoning them, because that's what it's like for them. They feel abandoned. Puts them in situations where it literally breaks their heart. And it is not okay. So if you feel that you want to adopt a parrot, that is amazing. Make sure that you're actually committing for life. This is like having a child. You don't, 10 years later or 15 or 20 or 40 years later decide that, you don't feel like being a mom anymore. You don't feel like being a dad anymore. Parrots are a long-time commitment, much like geese, and it should not be taken lightly. At the same time, it is very exciting when you do come to the conclusion that you have the right home for them. And it's so rewarding and a lot of work, but it's rewarding. Right, Jack? Hi! I love you. I love you. I love you. What? Thank you for kisses. You gave me kisses. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button.
Be careful.
All right, let's try that again. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more of our content, hit that subscribe. Leave your comments. And share the videos with your friends and family if you feel that they might enjoy a laugh or might enjoy seeing some absolutely gorgeous, beautiful little animals while we're all sitting around at home. Well, most of us anyways. I am about to be done shopping for the animals. And we're going to go stop by the post office to send my father, who is in a medical field, some supplies. What I have, I don't have much, but something, because he is a medical professional in New York, so he is in dire need of supplies. Anyways, we always appreciate all of your support. We welcome all of our new subscribers. I believe right now we are at 106 subscribers. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around through the weird times. Thank you for sticking around through the times where we had difficulties. Thank you for sticking around through the times where we didn't have time to upload videos all the time. Thank you so much. We love you guys all. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and healthy. Bye, y'all.